Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Are you looking to cancel your Audible membership in 2025? Many people decide to pause or end their subscription for various reasons. Perhaps you're not listening as much, or you're simply looking to save a little money. This comprehensive guide will provide clear, step-by-step instructions. We'll ensure you can cancel your membership quickly and easily, without any hidden surprises. Let's make this process as straightforward as possible for you today. Before you proceed with canceling your Audible membership, there are a few important things to consider. First, make sure you use any remaining credits you have in your account. Credits are usually lost upon cancellation, so redeem them for audiobooks you want to keep. It's also good to know that all the audiobooks you've already purchased, whether with credits or cash, will remain in your library for you to listen to anytime, even after your membership ends. Your listening history stays safe. The actual cancellation process for Audible needs to be completed on their desktop website, not through the mobile app. Begin by logging into your Audible account on a computer or web browser. Once logged in, hover over your name in the top right corner, then click on Account Details. On this page, you'll see a section for your membership. Look for the Cancel Membership link or button and click it to initiate the cancellation. Follow the simple on-screen instructions from there. After clicking the Cancel button, Audible will typically ask you for your reason for leaving and might present you with some alternative offers. They might suggest pausing your membership, offering a discount, or switching to a different plan. If your intention is still to fully cancel, politely decline these offers and continue through the prompts. It's crucial to follow all the steps until you see a final confirmation message on the screen. Always check your email for a cancellation confirmation as well, just for your records. Once your Audible membership is successfully canceled, your account won't disappear. You'll still have full access to your entire library of purchased audiobooks, which you can listen to anytime you wish. While you won't receive new monthly credits or member discounts, all your past content is still yours. Should you ever decide to return to Audible in the future, rejoining is incredibly simple and can be done right from their website. Enjoy your existing audiobooks or explore new listening options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.